To add order tracking in Shopify, follow these steps to enable customers to track their orders. Install a tracking app. Visit the Shopify App Store and search for a tracking app like Aftership, Tracker, or Order Lookup. Install your preferred tracking app by clicking Add App. Set up the tracking app. Once installed, open the tracking app from your Shopify admin. Follow the app's setup instructions. You may need to integrate it with your shipping carriers to automatically pull tracking numbers. Add tracking information to orders. When fulfilling an order in Shopify, input the tracking number and select the carrier for that shipment. Go to the Orders section in your Shopify admin, select an order, and click on Fulfill Items. Add the tracking number and carrier. Click Save to update the order with the tracking details. Share tracking information with customers. Customers will receive an email notification with tracking information once the order is shipped. You can also add a tracking link to your store's order status page, allowing customers to check their shipment status directly.